Bob Wilkes here with Trim-A-Slab. Today we've got a new product for you. It's called Weep Shield. Now you notice here we have a brick home. Many brick homes are going to look exactly like this. There's going to be weep holes every couple of bricks along, and that's necessary for the wall to breathe. You don't want to create a situation where you might have rot and damage behind the brick inside your walls, and this allows moisture to flow in and flow out to maintain the integrity of your house. Now, unfortunately, these openings are also places where you're going to get insects. You might even get lizards, mice, spiders, lots of things you don't want in your home. So Weep Shield is going to press into place super easy. It pops in just that fast, and it'll be a way to create a barrier for all these weep holes. Now we've got a starter 10-pack. If you want to just try it out and see how easy it's going to be, we recommend that. If you do find that these holes are maybe a little shorter or a little taller than the standard size, there's a perforation on Weep Shield that's a little offset, so when you cut it here, you can get a longer or a shorter piece. Now if you assemble two of the short pieces, that's a way to fill a shorter height weep hole, and two of the longer ones will do the same for a taller one. So there you have it. It's that easy to do. Anybody can install Weep Shield. We recommend you get it. Try it out. We think you're going to love it.